got a bulletproof vest here that I'm going to unpack. Ballistic, yeah, ballistic armor vest. Let's get it. This is more like an entry level one. Okay, so you have the plates come separate. It's more like an entry level, like 15,000, 10,000 range, even as high as 20,000 range. Okay, alright, look at this. No manual, so you're gonna kind of have to just figure out how to put this on yourself. There's no manual. Alright, let's go. So I'm assuming this is the front. This is the front. So yeah, putting it on now. Just freestyling. I don't actually know how to put this on. I'm just figuring it out as I go. That's interesting. Alright, clicked on. As you can see, it's taking shape now. Easy fit on, easy to fit it on. You can fit it on easily. And then you do these final ones by the hip side here. Okay, visibility is a bit of a challenge. There you go. Now the plates. Got the vest on. Let's experiment with the plates now. Now the vest on its own is pretty tough. It's pretty tough. The vest on its own is definitely another hard layer just on the vest. These plates add extra layers. But the vest on its own is pretty strong. There we go. The opening underneath here for the plate. Okay, I'm gonna take it off. Be much easier. Okay, it is easy to take it off like you would a shirt, but when you're wearing a cap, you have to remove your cap, so I just had to remove my cap, took my cap off. Okay, so the plates go into these openings. Forceful squeeze in there, but fits. Now we won't be able to close it again with that, whatever this thing is called that keeps it together. You won't be able to close it again. So yeah, as long as you don't mind that, it should be fine. Yeah, you won't. This sound that it's making. Yeah, you won't be able to close that again. Okay, hold on, man. Yeah, inserting that rear plate was much more work than the front one. So yeah, that's what I've been struggling with this whole time. All plates in. Let's put it on now. Yeah, it is better to put it on like a shirt, as long as you don't have a cap on. The plates definitely make it more tight, a tighter fit with the plates, but it works. Still nimble, still do stuff. Militant. You got extra pouches here for ammunition, supplies, knives and stuff. More pouches. Oh, the badge thing. I actually have the South African one. I bought a South African one. Let me take it right now. Here's the South African one. So this is the original brand one. This is the South African one. Patch for tactical gear. Let's go. So the original one, I'll put it at the bottom. Like this and this, yeah. South African one, I'll put it here. Oh man, forgot to do this. I've got the flag badge as well as the original logo bag and badge that you placed on the vest. I'll definitely be collecting more of these for sure. That's the end of the review.